Hi everyone, today we are going to be making picadillo. For this recipe, I will be using 6 pounds of ground beef. We will also be using 8 tomatoes, 1/4 of an onion, and 1 garlic clove. We will also need cilantro, fresh oregano, and 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. We will also need 5 potatoes and 2 carrots. We will be peeling them. We will also need 1 cup of green peas. You will also need 1/4 of an onion chopped and 1/4 of garlic also chopped. Now we're going to start peeling the potatoes and the carrots. Here we have our ingredients ready, and now we're going to dice them. Now our potatoes, carrots, and green peas are ready, and we're going to move on to the next step. Now we're going to cut the end of the tomatoes and cut them in half and put them in the blender. Here we've got the tomatoes in. We're going to add 1/4 of an onion, 1 garlic clove, and 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. And we're also going to add 2 cups of water. And we're going to blend. This is how it turned out, and now we're going to head to the stove. We'll also be using oil. Here I've got a pan and I'm going to add some oil, and we're going to add the meat. Make sure to mix well so the meat gets cooked evenly. Now that the ground beef is ready, we're going to add the other ingredients. We're going to add salt and pepper. We're also going to add 1/4 of an onion. We're also going to add 1 garlic clove, and we're going to mix. Now that it's mixed well, we're going to add our other ingredients such as carrot, potatoes, and green peas. And we're going to make sure that we mix very well. Now that it's been cooking for a while, we're going to add the sauce we made earlier, and we're going to mix really well. And let's not forget to add the fresh oregano and cilantro to give it a great flavor. Now we're going to cover it with a lid and let it cook for a few minutes. At this point, check to see if it has enough salt or if it needs more. And we're going to leave it to cook for about 30 minutes at medium heat. My picadillo is ready and now we're going to go serve it. I'm also gonna be serving it with some Mexican red rice. I'm going to be serving my picadillo with Mexican red rice, black beans, and 1 jalapeno popper. I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and I hope you guys will try it, and I'll see you guys next time.